Welcome. I'm going to show you how I turn some of my artwork into cards. So this is the 14 by 10 inch Valentine art that I had created. So now I've kind of arranged my ruler in a place I'm going to cut because I like where the cuts are for this side of the page. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it down, and I have my self-healing mat underneath, so easy cut. Okay, so now I have roughly 6.5 by a little less than 10. And now we start to work the magic of, if I have a 5 by 7 card, what are the dimensions that I like for putting the artwork on? Do I want it to be landscape? Do I want it to be portrait? I think these are gonna work out better landscape. So now I just kind of come in and measure again, where some of the stopping points are. Okay, I think that might be a good spot. So it would be 5 by 6.5, and then we could take a little bit off the top if we needed to. So I think I'm just gonna cut there. That's a good spot for the art. So we have roughly 2 cards, which I think these are pretty cute. For this one, I'm gonna try something that I've never tried before. I've seen these really cute effects where they cut out part of it and it kind of lifts up from the page. So I'm gonna try that with this one, and then I'm gonna do it double layered and do another heart inside, and that way it kind of lifts it up. But you can't totally detach it. So I think I will leave it attached at the edges, the end. Oh, that looks so good already. So then I thought what I would do is try and do a second one the same way, just to kind of create a double effect. That came out pretty cute. Now what I think I'm gonna do is just kind of work on some colored paper and see like what colors I like. So I think it's between these 3. I think I like this one. I think that dark pink, yeah, this one is the prettiest. All right, so I have cut my card stock into 10 by 7 and scored it at the 5-inch mark. And now I'm gonna glue the art front to the card, and you can use anything you want for this. I have Tombow Xtreme. You can use regular glue or 3M or foam tape if you want a little bit of a rise to it. Okay, and I'm just putting glue on the non-heart part because I want the hearts to pop up. Now I'm just placing, keeping the edges in mind. That is perfect. Maybe I should glue down that heart, but I kind of like it bouncy like that. It's cute. So we've got it all glued down. This looks so pretty. I love that. So cute. And it takes the eye off any one thing in particular. So I'm going to sign it. Put my initials at the bottom. And then another piece that I do is with my archival ink, and you can use any ink. I like to use black. I stamp my name, and then I stamp a handcrafted with love by on top. All right, so once that dries, then we can do our embossing powder. I have my Misti stamper here, which is so handy for alignment of stamping. Then here I have just some clear stamps from Michael's, I believe, just a whole bunch of sentiments. So I'm just gonna use this Happy Valentine's Day just to make it easy for myself. I'm gonna use some anti-static powder. Okay, and now we stamp our stamp with our Versamark ink, and this is just clear ink type glue that's going to help our embossing powder stay. You can already see that it's stamped pretty well. Okay, so now we put on our embossing powder, and then I just use coffee filters to just kind of dab it back in. And then if for some reason we still have a few little straggler pieces, I just take a clean, dry brush and just kind of work them off. So now we're going to use our heat tool to heat set our embossing powder. And then card number 1 is complete. Isn't that cute? Alright guys, so hopefully this little card tutorial has inspired you to create beautiful love notes and Valentine cards from your doodle work or your practice sheet. And I look forward to seeing you next time. And until then, bye. Have a good day.